Hey there, home mechanics! Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of car maintenance that often gets overlooked. Let's talk car care, specifically radiators. These unsung heroes play a vital role in keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Your car's engine gets hot, really hot. We're talking temperatures that can easily exceed 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The radiator's job is to keep things cool and prevent overheating. It circulates coolant through the engine, absorbing heat and dissipating it. Over time, rust, sediment, and other gunk build up inside. This can happen due to old coolant, debris, or even just the natural wear and tear of your car. This blocks the flow of coolant, making the radiator less efficient. When the coolant can't flow freely, it can't do its job properly. A clogged radiator can lead to overheating and even engine damage. Nobody wants that. Overheating can cause serious issues like warped engine parts or blown head gaskets. That's why it's crucial to clean your radiator regularly. A simple radiator flush can remove all that built-up gunk and restore proper flow. Think of it as giving your car a refreshing drink of water. Fresh coolant helps maintain optimal engine temperature and performance. A clean radiator means a happy and healthy engine. So, take the time to check and clean your radiator. Your car will thank you for it. Before we get our hands dirty, let's talk safety. First and foremost, make sure your engine is completely cool. Touching a hot radiator is a recipe for burns. We don't want that. Next, gather your tools: gloves, safety glasses, a drain pan, a wrench, a funnel, and a container for the old coolant. Gloves protect your hands from hot coolant and debris. Safety glasses shield your eyes from splashes. Got all that? Good. Now we're ready to roll up our sleeves and get cleaning. Locate your radiator's drain valve. It's usually on the bottom passenger side of the radiator. Place your drain pan directly beneath it to catch the old coolant. Now, slowly open the valve, turning it counterclockwise. Be careful, the coolant will drain quickly. Once the radiator is empty, close the drain valve tightly. We don't want any leaks. Properly dispose of the old coolant at a designated recycling center. Remember, coolant is toxic to animals and the environment, so let's keep things clean and green. Section 4. Flushing away the grime. A deep clean for your radiator. Keeping your radiator clean is essential for maintaining your car's performance and longevity. Now it's time for a deep clean. This process will help remove any built-up grime and debris that can cause your engine to overheat. With the drain valve closed, pour distilled water into the radiator until it's full. Distilled water is preferred because it doesn't contain minerals that can cause deposits. You can also use a radiator flush solution. Just follow the instructions on the bottle. These solutions are designed to break down and remove stubborn deposits. Close the radiator cap tightly. Ensuring a secure fit is crucial to prevent leaks during the cleaning process. Start your engine and let it run for about 10 minutes. This allows the water or flush solution to circulate through the system. This will circulate the water or flush solution, loosening up all that stubborn gunk. The movement helps dislodge any particles stuck inside. Keep an eye on your temperature gauge to make sure the engine doesn't overheat. Overheating can cause serious damage to your engine. Once the engine has run for 10 minutes, turn it off and let it cool completely. This cooling period is important to avoid burns and ensure the system is safe to handle. Section 5. Rinsing away the residue. Preparing for the refill. Time to rinse away the residue. Open the radiator drain valve again and let the water or flush solution drain completely into the drain pan. Close the valve tightly. Now repeat the flushing process with distilled water a couple more times. This ensures that all the old coolant and cleaning solution are gone. We want a clean slate for the fresh coolant. Once the water runs clear, you know your radiator is sparkling clean. Section 6. Back to business, refilling your radiator. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to ensure your radiator is properly refilled and ready to keep your engine cool. Finally, we're ready to refill the radiator. This is a crucial step in maintaining your vehicle's cooling system and preventing overheating. Close the drain valve tightly one last time. Ensuring the drain valve is securely closed will prevent any leaks and ensure the coolant stays where it should. Using a funnel, carefully pour a 50-50 mixture of coolant and distilled water into the radiator. Don't overfill it. Overfilling can cause pressure issues and reduce the efficiency of your cooling system. Check your owner's manual for the correct coolant type and capacity. Different vehicles require different types of coolant, and using the wrong one can cause damage. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes with the radiator cap off. This helps the coolant circulate and allows any trapped air to escape. This allows any air bubbles to escape. Air bubbles can cause hot spots and reduce the effectiveness of your cooling system. Top off the coolant level if needed. Make sure the coolant level is at the recommended mark to ensure optimal performance. And there you have it, a clean, happy radiator ready to keep your engine cool. A well-maintained radiator is key to a healthy engine. Remember, regular maintenance keeps your car running smoothly for miles to come. Regularly checking and refilling your radiator can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your vehicle.